Hi, my name is Harrison Taylor, and this is my AEP 851 Curriculum and Evaluation of Pre-K through 12 Schools um, Introduction Module 1 video. I'm looking forward to get this semester started, nearing the end of my time, taking graduate school classes, so I'm getting excited about that. Should be finishing up next spring, just ready to wrap all that up. So a little bit of interesting information about me. Some things I really like to do. I like to get outdoors, hunting and fishing, and just being outside, trying to stay active. And I have a dog. We like to go outside as well. All those things. So I like to have some time to decompress and do some different things, a little bit different than the educational things I do. I'm really passionate about football, especially high school football. I coach at Baserlin High School where I'm at, and that's been going really well, and I've been getting kind of steady promotions and stuff. So excited about that and pretty passionate about that. And then I'm also getting married in April 25th. So my plan is to hopefully get my classes finished before then, and I'll have a pretty free spring to hopefully that'll go off fairly well and have a lot of fun, be a good experience. So who I am as far as my current position. I'm currently in 9-12 special education. I'm an interrelated LD special education teacher at our high school. And so that's been really interesting. I taught social studies a couple years before that at a middle school and a high school. And so that's been a change, but I think it's been a positive one for me and kind of plays with some of my strengths. The Baser Linwood School District at Baser Linwood High School. This will be my 4th year here teaching special education. So, I think the added experience and being in the same place for a while has helped me have success and grow. And then also I coached football, which I mentioned earlier. I assist with strength and conditioning in the summer. And then I'm also a member of the school building leadership team. And then I also have been helping the building administration with several tasks and help to try to take some off of their plate as I've been taking these classes and growing as an individual. My long-term and short-term goals. Short-term goal, I'd like to become a head football coach and increase my leadership capacity and ability and reach more students and high school youth. So that's kind of my short-term goal. And then my long-term goal is just to open as many doors as possible. So maybe if I want to be administrator or be in a different role or add something to what I do, I already have master's in special education, and I'm working on this master's in building leadership. And so I'm hoping to open doors and maybe become an administrator or a different position down the road, and be able to take on more with some of the schooling and steps that I've taken. And then also, I hope to learn a lot in this course. Our school has been talking a lot about curriculum, making some changes. I think we're a redesigned school, and we've been doing a lot of interesting things here. We have an innovation academy and kind of like an in-house alternative school, and some different things to try to have more success and reach more students and change and grow. So that's been positive here, but I'd like to see some strategies on getting teachers and buildings and districts on board with curriculum mindset changes, and even kind of society at times, or parents can struggle with that. So work on getting everybody on the same page. I'd like to learn just best possible strategies to help students and teachers have success, and I think some of these changes are helping with that, and just better understanding of curriculum changes and things like that. And then also just what things are coming, what changes should we be making as a school or myself as an individual, and try to stay ahead of the curve with the rapidly changing technology and landscape, and just our world changes so fast now. Try to stay up on top of that as much as possible and continue to learn that area. So looking forward to taking this course and having a great semester.